Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Greek baklava. First, ensure you have fresh phyllo dough, about 1 pound, and 2 cups of finely chopped nuts, typically walnuts or pistachios. You'll also need 1 cup of melted unsalted butter. For the syrup, gather sugar, water, and a touch of honey. These core ingredients are crucial for achieving that authentic, delicious taste and texture. Now, let's assemble your baklava. Start by generously buttering a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Lay down half of your phyllo sheets, brushing each individual sheet with melted butter before adding the next. Once half the phyllo is down, spread your 2 cups of nut mixture evenly. Then, cover with the remaining phyllo, again buttering every single sheet. Before baking, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. It's essential to cut the baklava into your desired diamond or square shapes now, before it goes into the oven. This prevents the delicate layers from shattering later. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the top is a beautiful golden brown and the layers are visibly crisp. The final, crucial step is the syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of water, and a few tablespoons of honey in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for about 10 minutes and let it cool completely. Immediately pour this cold syrup over your hot, freshly baked baklava. Let it sit for several hours, ideally overnight, to fully absorb the sweet goodness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.